Did you know that there is a set of simple and pragmatic tools that can help you to achieve your goals easier while creating the life you desire? Learn to overcome your fears, doubts, judgments, and fully step into being the best version of yourself. And not only that, this technique is widely used to relieve stress, anxiety, depression, trauma, or pain.
I have a lot of things going on at the moment, and I've got so many sort of different projects and also some doubts and fears, so I actually felt that those fears and doubts kind of melted away. I feel a sense of more possibility. Yeah.
Access bars are 32 points on the head related to different areas of your life. These points store the charge of thoughts, feelings, emotions, and past experiences that keep us stuck. By gently touching these points during the session, it is possible to release the charge, stress, tension, and allow new possibilities to come into your life.
Really good. Judita's really good. She explains it really well, and she does a great job. It's the second time I have my bars run, and it's great.
This is a one-day course where you become a certified Access Bars practitioner. You will be able to make money and have a business which is fun. It is also great for families, couples, groups, and individuals who are looking for a better life. You will be able to help someone when they are feeling sad, depressed, tired, stressed, or just lost. By giving them a short session, you can bring back joy and possibilities and hope into their life. The class is free for kids 15 and under, and there are more than 10,000 facilitators worldwide. For classes with me and more information, head to my website at byebystress.co.uk.